This problem comes from the New York State testing sampler number 4. It is question number 4, linear equations and slope. So we will zoom into this. It says, which proportional relationship has the greatest rate of change? So one thing to remember, when they say proportional, they want you to know that this is a function that goes through the origin and it has the constant rate of change. So it's going to be linear and it's going to go, that means it'll go up by that constant slope. So they're telling you they're all proportional. They're really asking you, when they say greatest rate of change, this is that fancy way of saying, what is the slope? Okay, so if we want to find the slope, I'm going to start with what I think is the fastest one to find the slope from, choice A. It just follows the y equals mx plus b form, so I can see that my slope is 7. So I'll say m equals 7. Note that I'm going to have to find the slope of everything before I can tell which one is the biggest. So you can't just figure this out really quickly. The next one, I'm going to notice that the D with the graph is helpful for me. So I would put my first point at 0, 0, and it looks like it crosses perfectly here. Notice we're counting by twos. We're going up 6 and over 1. Here we're counting by halves. So up 6 and over 1, that would mean my slope is a positive 6 over a 1. So right now I can tell that A is bigger than D. Then I can say for choice B, the value of y increases while my change in y is 12. For every increase of 4 in x, change in x would be 4. That will reduce to 3 over 1, or 3. So my slope is equal to 3. I know 7 is bigger than 3, so I'm ruling out choice B. So it looks like I have only one more. Now what's fun about choice C is that they've told me it's proportional. That means I don't have to check them all. I just need to check that first change. So plus 2 and plus 8. Because they told me it's proportional, I'm not checking to see if it's linear. I know it's linear. So I do 8 divided by 2 and I get 4. That means my slope is 4. Well, I know 7 is bigger than 4, so it has to be choice A. So that is our solution.